Hello, friends! Today we're going to explore one of the world's most beloved fruits, a food that's sweet, sunny, and full of energy, the banana. From lunchboxes to smoothies, bananas are a favorite all around the globe, and their story is just as fascinating as their flavor. Bananas are tropical fruits that grow on large plants, often mistaken for trees, but technically, they're giant herbs. Their stems aren't made of wood, but instead layers of tightly packed leaves. These plants can grow up to 20 feet tall, with enormous green leaves that create the perfect canopy in tropical regions. Now, let's talk about the fruit itself. Bananas start out in big, hanging clusters, sometimes with more than 100 fruits in a single bunch. Each banana has a thick peel on the outside and soft, creamy flesh on the inside. The flavor is naturally sweet. With just the right balance of smoothness and energy, no wonder they're often called nature's energy bar. Bananas are packed with nutrients. They're rich in potassium, which helps keep our muscles and nerves working properly. They also provide fiber for digestion, vitamin B6 for energy, and natural sugars that give us a quick boost. That's why athletes love bananas. They're a fast, healthy snack that fuels the body and mind. One of the most amazing things about bananas is their journey from plant to plate. Farmers grow bananas in warm, humid climates across places like South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. After harvesting, bananas are shipped while still green, and they ripen on the way to stores. That's why you often buy them greenish and watch them turn yellow at home. And did you know the brown spots that appear on bananas mean they're getting even sweeter? But bananas aren't just delicious. They're also versatile. You can eat them fresh, blend them into smoothies, bake them into banana bread, fry them into crispy snacks, or even dry them into chips. In many cultures, bananas are more than just fruit. Banana leaves are used for wrapping food, steaming dishes, or even as eco-friendly plates. Truly, every part of the banana plant has a purpose. Bananas also have a playful side in popular culture. Who hasn't seen a cartoon character slip on a banana peel or sung along to a silly banana song? Bananas bring joy not just to our stomachs, but also to our imaginations. There's even something special about how bananas make us feel. Because they contain natural compounds that help the brain produce serotonin, bananas can actually lift our mood. So when you eat a banana, you're not just feeding your body, you're giving your mind a little sunshine too. Sunshine. And here's a fun fact. Bananas are technically berries. Yes, even though we think of them as fruit, botanically, they're classified as berries, while things like strawberries, surprisingly, are not. Nature always has little surprises for us. Bananas are more than just a snack. They're symbols of health, happiness, and abundance. Whether you enjoy them at breakfast, pack them for school, or use them in cooking, they remind us of the sweetness and generosity of nature. So next time you peel a banana, remember, you're holding a piece of tropical sunshine, a gift from the earth that's traveled a long way to bring you joy and nourishment. World Star, thank you for joining me on this delicious journey into the world of bananas. Bananas and happiness. Stay tuned for more adventures into the wonders of nature and the foods that connect us all.